Hello and welcome to Dinesh Sharma 10x. In this video, we will understand the difference between a normal user and a pro user of Microsoft Excel. A normal user will complicate the things versus a pro user will simplify the things. A normal user has to repeat the activities every time the similar situation comes, whereas a pro user will automate the things. Before we proceed, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new tutorial videos on Microsoft Excel and you also become a pro user. And if you are already a pro user, you will become even more efficient and your productivity will go really very high. Now let me explain the task. The task here is, in this sample data of top 10 countries by population, in column C we want a bar, a data bar which represents the population not in numbers but in the form of a data bar with the length of the data bar. I would suggest you to go ahead and download this sample file. It is available in the description below. Download it and try to solve this particular problem yourself. Pause the video and come back again once you have solved it. I hope you must have found some solution to this particular problem. Now we will see first how a normal user works around with this particular task. As a normal user, he will go in this particular cell and use a formula called REPT, repetition, and then use a text, this vertical bar, and the number of times is going to be the population divided by some number, so that the number of bars is not too long but it is few bars only. So I will put 7 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and close the parenthesis, hit the enter button, and then copy it to all the items. So more or less we have these vertical bars, but it doesn't looks good. So select this column, go to the font and change the font to play bill, and here goes. This is the bar chart. This bar is showing, this data bar is showing the values in terms of a horizontal bar. That's the way a normal user will work with this situation. And next time when we have some more data, I paste some more data here and he will again go and copy this to the new data. So you see how he is going to repeat the things again and again. This was a normal user, and now I will show you the way a pro user will work. I have a copy of the same data in this particular sheet, world population pro, same data. So a pro user will first convert this data into a data table using Control T and hit enter. This has become a data table now. Now he will write here data bar, hit enter, and then he will simply say equals to B2 and hit enter. Now he will select this data bar, all the values. We'll go to conditional formatting, we'll go to data bars and select a color of choice, and then to remove these numbers he will go to manage rules. Under conditional formatting, select this rule, click on edit format, edit rule, and then put a check here, show bar only, hit OK and OK, and that's it. The data bar is ready. And next time if there is an update, if we add some more data here, simply copy and paste here and the data bar will update automatically. So now I believe you understand the difference between the normal users and the pro users, how the pro users simplify the things and make it automatic so that he need not to repeat the task every time, and he is really very efficient in whatever he is doing. His productivity is much more than the normal user. Comment below and tell me how was your solution. Do you think you are a normal user or you are a pro user? Or if you really want to be a pro user, then subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Happy Excel.